Kapodon mane yimbo mar piny Kenya kata Western kono endo en ni aputa kata komiti mabende neno ni okete tim lipot nogo mar Nadco no mole kaunti nogo ma Bungoma kama gisingo mar biro neno ni tijgi maduong' en neno ni piny owacho ochwalo chenro mag dongruoge ne oganda kod neno ni weche duto mantiere lipot mar Nadco koro ketie tim giyango kanyendo ni ging'iyo kaka counties osebedo ka koro tiyo kod omenda magi kata chwalo chenro mag dongruoge kendo dongruoge eko mapod okwamo nyaka gi kinde niendi gin mago eko ma ineno ni koro otieki kapok ochopo yiero mabiro. Giyango ni chenro duto mantiere lipot nogo mar Nadco gidhi neno ni okete tim kapok ochopo yiero nogo kendo gijiwo ni winjruok e kind ODM kaachiel kod UDA osemiyo chenro mag dongruoge mopogore opogore jatend piny Kenya kata piny owacho mamalo chwalo ne oganda kod gwenge duto maonge dok chien.
We've had a very candid discussion, and I want to appreciate that they are going to take our feedback. And one of the issues which we have strongly raised is the issue of unfinished projects in our county. And we are praying that going forward, we need these projects to be completed so that before we do other new projects, we want to make sure we complete these other projects. And we are praying that we want to see the progress of this implementation, because that is what the people are waiting to see.
They have urged us to ensure that the national government gets to put more funds to fast-track the implementation of the various projects that are lined up for implementation. The broad-based government, under the leadership of His Excellency President William Ruto, is going and is committed to ensure that those projects are implemented. His Excellency, High Excellency, the Deputy Governor, the Honorable Speaker, have also urged that the President and Honorable Dr. Oburu Oginga should ensure that within the period of the subsistence of the broad-based government, the various projects that have been lined up for implementation are implemented in good time.
Prior to find the cooperation agreement between both the arms of government at the county level. And so I want to urge Bungoma County that you should continue with the same spirit, because Agenda 3 of the 10-point agenda was about protecting and strengthening devolution. And devolution cannot be strengthened if both arms of government at the county level are at loggerheads. And so this is a success story for us. I think we need to urge other counties to adopt it. It is good for harmonious working relationship whenever it comes to service delivery for our common people on the ground. One of the things we are doing is to get honest feedback from Kenyans or from our officers from wherever they are. Because part of the reasons why we exist is to ensure that the needs and aspirations of our people, especially leaders who work together for the common good,